Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to find food on your very first day of Minecraft. So as soon as you start your world, you want to simply go ahead and gather some wood first. So maybe 2 to 3 trees. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. So let me just go ahead and show it to you. This is going to be the first tree I'm going to be getting. Here we go. Right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these oak woods to make planks, and I'm going to make a little crafting table, and I'm going to make a little stick right over here. Then I'm going to place down the crafting table, and I'm going to make a little axe first. Now that way my wood getting journey or trees farming journey is going to be a lot faster. Also, if you're as lucky as me, spawning around sheep, then that is going to be brilliant. But in your case, most likely you're probably not going to be spawning around sheeps. But there's most likely going to be other models like chickens or cows or anything. So our main target is going to be these sheeps right here. Those are our food, primary source of our food. But as soon as we collect, let's say 2 more trees, so I'm going to get another 2 trees, which is going to be giving me enough wood for a long time. So there you go, and last 1 tree right over here. All right, so now the second priority of mine is going to be getting cobblestone now. So all I'm going to do is simply go ahead and put this and get more blocks. And now with the blocks, I'm going to go ahead and place down the crafting table again, put these sticks down, and then I'm going to make a little wooden pickaxe. There you go. Now I'm going to break this down. Also, make sure that you always keep an eye out for the sun, because when it's down, then you're going to have a lot of problems. So now the main priority for me is going to be cobblestone, which should not be too much of a hassle. If you find cows along the way, just go ahead and kill those and get the steak, because that is absolutely perfect. Because we're going to be cooking it later anyways. I mean, you can eat it raw as well, by the way, but which is going to go ahead and still get your hunger bar up, but that is not really recommended because it's just wasting your food. To be honest, without cooking, it's not going to go ahead and give you a lot. So I'm simply going to go ahead and use my pickaxe that I built to get some cobblestone here now. Just like that. You don't even need that much. So you want to simply go ahead and look for some cobblestone. And finally, once you've gotten cobblestone, you want to go ahead and try to find coal as well inside of these. I mean, you could easily find it, but the best way to find it is going to be like looking around for places like these, which are going to be like, oh, there might be a cave or something here, where I can probably find um, the coal. Oh, there's coal. All right, this is exactly what I was looking for. So it's underwater, which is going to be a little problem for us. What can we do about it? Actually, we can't do anything about it. So just get a coal or two. Oh, I already have stone. I don't know why I'm wasting my time with the wooden one. So place down your crafting table, make some more sticks, just like that. And I'm gonna make a couple of things with this. So a cobblestone pickaxe and a sword, because remember we're gonna be getting a lot of food. All right, so the most important part is gonna be this right here, which I'm extremely lucky to get this early on, but if you guys find it as well, that's perfect for you too. So if it is underwater, it's gonna be a hassle for you, by the way, just like this. But I still have to get it, so I'm gonna get it. There's a lot of coal, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it so I can gather more later, but I think that is more than enough. Now, all you need to do to have food is, let me just go ahead and show it to you. So put all your cobblestones just like that, and there you go, you get a furnace. And now remember the beef that you took from the cows? Yeah, exactly. So take that furnace, take that coal of yours, put the furnace down, put your coal down here, and take that beef and let it cook. Now, as long as it cooks, I'm just gonna go ahead and farm more beef or more food. If I can find them nearby. Well, I can't. But yeah, that is it, guys. I think you guys understand how to do it now. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.